the day with Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and we got our first order. This is Starbucks going 5 miles. Thank you.
Of course, have a good day.
Total for that was just under $7. Just got the next order. This is going to be McDonald's. $7 and change going 5 miles.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Just got the next order. This is Starbucks going 5 miles. Total for that one was $7, and we just got the next order. This is going to be Black Rock Coffee going 5 miles. Hello. Just gotta pick up for Ashton.
You got it. We'll
Thank
have it
you.
at the window.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too.
Set that DoorDash for you.
Thank you. That was so quick. I didn't even get a chance to see which way I was turning out of there. Luckily, we're going in this direction because I just looked at my rear view and I see a lot of red and blue lights. I think that street might be closed on the other side. Oh, what? I was not expecting that. Total for that order was $12. Thank you. Next order up, we're going back to Black Rock Coffee. This one, I think it said it was going 4.5 miles.
Alrighty, here is for Colette. All 3 items are in there.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a great day.
Total for that order was $7 and change. Not bad at all. Next order up, we've got a Gravity Coffee going 6 miles. This most likely is not going to have a tip on it because it's only 1 drink. I got an add-on for Voodoo Donut going an extra mile. That's going to pad the time a little bit and hopefully give me a little bit more money.
Here you go, bro.
Thank you.
You have a wonderful day, man.
You too. Thank you. You too. Oh, and the first one was a hand to customer. It just gets better and better, doesn't it? Total for those two was $21. I got really lucky with that add-on. Next order just came in. This is Nectar Juice Bar going 5 miles.
Do you need a bag?
No, that's fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks. Okay.
That 8 a.m. chocolate smoothie, though. Hello. For Kelly. No tip on that one. Who would have guessed? Total was $5, and we got the next order right away. This is Carl's Jr. going just under 2 miles. Total for that was $7, and we got the next order right away. This is going to be Starbucks going 5 miles.
Kelsey?
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Wow, that was a really good order too. Total for that was $9 and change. Thank you, thank you. Just got the next order. This is Black Rock Coffee going just under 3 miles.
All set in there with straws.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a nice day.
You too. Hello.
Bye.
For Taylor?
Yes, thank you.
There you are. No tip on that one. Thank you. Very lovely. Total was $3. And we got the next order right away. This is Mission Cafe. This one is going 8.5 miles. I don't know if I mentioned it before, but this one's like a little cafe connected to a church, which I thought was pretty cool.
Is it for Devin?
Yes.
It's just gonna be a couple of minutes.
Okay. Do you have a restroom?
Yep, all the way to the back on your far left. wait you there. It's
Okay.
So it's just down that hallway there, and it'll be on the right.
Okay, thank you. Oh my god. Thank you. Total for that was $12. Okay, actually worth it. I'll take it. Next up, we've got a McDonald's. This one is going just under 3 miles. Oh, this is going all the way upstairs. Is that a boat? Canoe? Kayak? I don't know what you call those. I'll show you in a second. Pretty sure that's a canoe, because I think kayaks are a lot skinnier. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Also, I don't even know how much I got paid for that, because my phone turned off as I was walking down the steps. Next up, we've got an alcohol pickup. Oh, and they just gave me an add-on for Angels. I think the combined total mileage is around 9 miles.
It's just one box.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Maybe this one. Total for those two was $19. And on that note, I think I'm gonna call it here. Current time is 10:39. Total, we are at 1:15. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.